Got an old Android phone collecting dust? Today, I'll show you how to turn it into a high-quality speaker for your computer, completely free, using an app called PCAudioHub. Just install the app, plug in over USB for zero latency, and your phone streams crisp 48 kHz audio.
PCAudioHub streams your Windows PC's audio directly to your Android phone, over Wi-Fi or USB. It's simple, fast, and surprisingly powerful.
Download the PCAudioHub server on your PC. Install the Android app on your phone. Connect over Wi-Fi or USB. Hit play and enjoy. You'll be up and running in under 2 minutes.
It's perfect for travel, temporary setups, home offices, or just giving new life to an old device. Let your phone do the talking.
Ready to try it yourself? Download PCAudioHub wherever you are. For Windows Server, head to nolansoft.github.io/PCAudioHub. On Android, find us on Google Play or download the APK from apkpure.com. Your sound, anywhere.
Give your old phone a second life. Try PCAudioHub today and make it sing again.